All right, we're going to talk about treble clef and then reading within key signatures in the treble clef. So first things, this is a nice little graphic to see all the note names. So for space, this is the easiest one. It just spells face. Just remember to go from the bottom to the top, face. The line notes, there's a couple different ones. I always liked even George Bush drives fast. That was easy for me because it was different than the bass clef. And just remember musical alphabet. Once you start on an A, you simply go up in the regular alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. So this next one isn't named up here, but it would be a G. Same thing down here from the E. If you went one spot lower, you'd get to a D. Before that, you're just working backwards in the alphabet, okay? So now when you start your challenge, first you want to look at the note name, okay? So this is on the B line. So we know that's a B, but let's check the key signature. Over here we have one F sharp. I know that it's on an F because this middle part is over the F line. So that's just a regular B. Up here, so this one's not on the staff. How do we figure that out? Well, let's look at the lines because it has a line through it. So even George Bush drives fast. Okay, so after F comes G. Then we start over in the musical alphabet, A. So we know this is an A, but what kind? Let's check the key signature. There's a sharp. That's on the F line. Okay, so that means it's just a regular A again. All right, now we've got a flat over here. So we're going to keep that in mind, but first let's name the note. So it's on a line again. Even George Bush drives. So it's on the D line. Let's look to see where that flat is. Okay, that flat is on the B line. So that's a B flat. So this is just a regular D again. All right, there's another one that's not on the staff. So let's figure that out. So this bottom line we know is an E. So if we go backwards in the alphabet, we get to a D. Go backwards again, we get to C. So we know that's a C. Now let's check the key signature. That's on the B line, that flat is. So we know this is a regular C. Let me click. There we go. Here's another one. It's kind of way up at the top. So this one's on a space. Doesn't have a line through it. It's got a line underneath it. So even George Bush drives fast. Okay, next one would be G. Then the line is A and the space is B. Let's look at this key signature. That's on the B line. Yes, it's in a different spot though, but it's still a B. So that means this is going to be a B flat, okay? So there's lots of places, there's a couple different places on the staff where those F's or those B's could line up. Whatever's in the key signature applies to every single one. It would look super messy if they put like a ton of flats all over their place, and it would look really confusing actually. So they put it in one place. It's always going to be on this line if it's a B flat. It's always going to be on that line if it's an F sharp, okay? But it's going to apply to all of them. Hopefully that helps a little bit as you're doing your theory today.